Okay, I'm entering my room. Let's see. It's so funny. I always have a hard time finding the lights. Okay. Here's the bathroom. That's bright. Okay. Pretty standard. The area. Let's see. I always like to see. Oh, Disney has its own label for its stuff. Okay. Closets. Ironing board. Iron. Extra stuff. Okay. And this is the 2 queen size beds, and it also has a pull out day bed, even though we won't need it. And as always, they leave their towels and washcloths in little designs, which is so cute. Dock. Okay. A little seating area. Television. Okay. Let's see my view. Yeah, my view. It's so pretty. I'm gonna go sit out there. Let's see. Let me unlock it. You know what? It's the couple of locks, so I'm not gonna do that. I'll do that later. But yeah, I can sit over there and look at the water and the boats. Love it.